Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a review on this Stanley Air tool kit right here. Let's start with the accessories. First of all, we have 5 of these nozzles for the compressor hose. There's only 4 tools, so I guess there's an extra. There's some bits some grinding bits. 2 of these, standard, ordinary shit wrenches. Then there's this one, a quick release. It doesn't feel to be the best quality, ain't heavy or nothing. A little bit of an extension here. Another extension from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. I'm guessing so that is you can use the bits or I don't know what these are called right now, but yes, on the air ratchet here. Then there's 3 of these chisels for the hammer. I think they are alright quality. Then there's again I don't remember what these are called. This is the 10mm impact socket, it's called. Sockets, yes. It's 1/2 inch, 10mm. It's actually not that bad quality, I think. It comes with the air ratchet here. Pretty nice quality, pretty heavy. This button needs some lubricant because it's pretty tight. Overall, pretty good quality on that, I think. Air grinder. I don't know what happened to the finish on this one. I haven't used this set yet, so I don't exactly know why it looks like this. It looks like fucking shit. It looks like it has been used before, which I haven't used it before. But pretty good quality handle here. Again, oil, feed, well daily. Pretty good quality on that one. Just don't know what happened to the finish on it. It looks like fucking crap. Then the hammer here, air hammer, chisel hammer, whatever it's called. Pretty heavy. Also pretty good quality. You can adjust the amount of air it gets in right there. It looks like there have been oil in this before. Maybe there's oil in all the tools, I don't exactly know, but pretty good quality on that one. There's the spring for it. And then the impact wrench here. Fucking heavy. Way too heavy for mine, but I don't think I will be using this that much. But right now it's in forward. You push this back, and it's in reverse. 1/2 inch. 4 adjustments. It looks like. Right now it's on the highest setting, I think. All comes in a nice sturdy case. It comes with a little Allen key here. Nice sturdy cage here. Not anything. It's loose in there. But yes, that was my small review on this kit. We won't be testing it in this video, but maybe another time. See ya.